Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide. How to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2 from ISO file. No USB drive required. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, you can check the current Windows version by right-clicking the Start menu, selecting Run, typing WinVer, and hitting Enter. Second, go to the Download Windows 11 webpage. Scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO, and click on Select Download. Then select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO, and click on Download Now. Next, select the product language. Click on Confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. Choose where you want to save the downloaded file to download the Windows 11 version 24H2 ISO file. After the download finishes, right-click on the Windows ISO file, and click on Mount, or double-click it. Once the Windows ISO file is mounted, go to this PC, and click on the mounted drive, or it will automatically open. Now click on the Setup file. In the Windows 11 Setup interface, click on Change How Setup Downloads Updates, then choose Not Right Now, and click on Next, or leave it as default if you want to download the updates during the upgrade. Then click on Accept. You can click on Change What to Keep and choose to keep personal files and apps, personal files only, or nothing. Click on Install, and wait for the process to finish. Lastly, you can check the current Windows version, again by right-clicking the Start menu, selecting Run, typing WinVer, and hitting Enter. Don't forget to go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.